Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm diving into the world of natural skincare to share my secret weapon for glowing skin, a homemade chia seed face mask. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Chia seeds, those tiny little powerhouses. Did you know that these super seeds are packed with antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and fiber? They're not just great for your breakfast smoothies, they can do wonders for your skin too. I've been using this face mask for the past month, and I've seen incredible changes in my skin's texture and hydration levels. Alright, let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this easy DIY mask. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. 1 tablespoon of honey. 2 tablespoons of yogurt or raw milk. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice, optional, if you'd like to add it. Now, the beauty of this face mask lies in its simplicity. First, we'll take 1 or 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and soak them in half a cup of water or raw milk for about 30 minutes, until they swell. This will create a gel-like consistency that's perfect for application. Once your seeds have soaked, add in the honey. It's a natural antibacterial agent and super moisturizing. Then, mix in the yogurt. It's rich in probiotics that help heal and hydrate your skin. Finally, add a touch of lemon juice to brighten up that complexion. Mix it all together until you achieve a nice, smooth paste. Now, let's apply this amazing mask. Make sure your face is clean and dry before you start. You can use a brush or your fingers, whichever you prefer. Just avoid the eye area, as we don't want any irritation. Leave this mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes while you relax and unwind. After rinsing off the mask, you'll feel your skin tighten and refresh. It's like a mini spa experience right at home. Your skin will feel smooth, hydrated, and visibly brighter. So, there you have it, my go-to chia seed face mask. I encourage you to give it a try and see the difference for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more skincare tips, and share your results with me in the comments below. Until next time, stay radiant.